The Nigerian Navy don't dig up and destroy some oil equipment of one suspected oil tiffy people for well 17 of oil mining lease 18 for Elem Krakrama Creek of Rivers State. The Navy cites these illegal oil mining activities for the area for one helicopter patrol on July 11, 2023. Commander of the Nigerian Navy Ship Pathfinder Commodore Suleiman Ibrahim Kontok say the matter shock and wella for the kind of boga equipment where the oil tiffy people they use take the thief the crude oil. He compromise say the Navy go fish out all the people wey get hand for this kind level of oil tiffy.
During one of our overflights, we noticed that some boats were illegally stealing crude from the wellhead, and then we immediately deployed 2 gunboats who came and then ensured that the illegal activity was stopped. NNPC OML 18 resources. They are the owners of the OML, so we brought them here. We've equally come with some of our heavy equipment to make sure we dismantle the illegal structures. And I know that the Navy has been working with the Rivers State government as regards anti-crude oil theft operations. But with the local government, that synergy is not actually there because we don't get to see them. And what we've been able to utilize is our air assets. As an individual, what I have seen here is way beyond what I've seen anywhere. The sophistication is outside this world. The individuals involved, they've taken their time. They've done a lot of measurements. They've done welding on site, and I think we are already doing something. We're tracking the people involved, but I wouldn't want to disclose how far we've gone so that we don't just let the cat out of the sack. But I want to assure the general public that all of those involved in this illegal activity would be arrested, and they would definitely have their day in court.
From Rivers State, A. Carter Ojesili, TMC TV News.